birthday that's being celebrated by one of our viewers, Grace. So her son, Derek Veschuk, sent us some photos of some of her hobbies. So one of her big hobbies, of course, is gardening.
Okay.
Yeah, Grace the gardener. She's amazing. So they sent us some photos of her tomato plants. So she has these tomato plants. You gotta take a look at these. These tomatoes are between 2 and 3 pounds.
Heavens to
Murgatroyd. Yeah, I have a tough time just growing the little cherry tomato plants.
Are they behind those green pumpkins there?
Totally.
Wow.
But it's not just tomatoes she can grow. She has this amazing arrangement of petunias.
Oh, don't show that to Fiona. Don't let Fiona see that.
The hanging petunias, those are wild. I've seen them in a few places, never this big, but it looks pretty darn impressive when you see it like that.
Yeah, Fiona would get angry because she can't grow baskets.
Oh.
She watch around the neighborhood just yelling, why don't mine grow like that? So Grace, whatever you do, if you could, or if Derek, you could get us some information on how those baskets get like that. Fiona would very much appreciate that up there in Skyview 1.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Yeah. We've got more coming up.